In the United Kingdom, the royal status of a prince has been demolished, and that's Prince Andrew. His mother, Queen Elizabeth, has stripped him of all royal titles and military honours. He's no longer His Royal Highness. The decision comes barely a day after a New York court ordered a trial in accusations of sexual assault against him. The prince will now have to fight the case as a private citizen. But the question is, what privileges did he enjoy as a royal? Our next report explores more.
This statement was released by the royal family on Wednesday. It announces the Queen's decision to strip her second son of all royal titles. Prince Andrew, all his military honors and royal patronages have been returned to the Queen. Andrew is no longer His Royal Highness. What led to this dramatic downgrade? A case of sexual assault. Andrew has been accused of luring a teenager into sex. A civil lawsuit against him has been given the go-ahead in the United States. He will now be subjected to a criminal trial. The Queen's decision is in essence an attempt to protect the brand and reputation of the royal family. It was prompted by a letter from 150 veterans in the UK, part of the anti-monarchy pressure group. These veterans had asked the Queen to strip Andrew of his ranks for bringing disrepute to the armed forces and the British throne. For a monarchy already beset by crises, this decision is a welcome move, but it's not the first time such a decision has been taken. Andrew is the fifth person to lose royal titles in 26 years, the others being Diana, Princess of Wales, Sarah, the Duchess of York, and Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. The decision has also opened up a debate on the many privileges British royals are entitled to. Under Halsbury's Law of England, members of the royal family cannot be arrested in civil proceedings. Arrests can also not take place in a monarch's presence or anywhere near a palace owned by the monarchy. In 2019, this prevented Prince Philip from facing any charges in a car crash. The prince, who has a reputation of over-speeding, left 2 people injured in a car crash. He wasn't prosecuted. 2 days later, he was spotted driving again, this time without a seatbelt. Freedom of information laws also do not apply to the royal household. This prevents the people of the United Kingdom from knowing how the royal household spends public funds and to what extent it influences government policies. The royals are also exempted from paying taxes. Income tax, capital gains tax, inheritance tax, they pay none of it. Although some members of the royal household make voluntary payments to avoid public scrutiny, Prince Andrew has lost all these privileges. He is now a private citizen like other Britons, and will have to defend himself like one. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.